Welcome to Animal World. We are grateful to you, and will be more happy with your subscription. The humpback whale is a species of baleen whale. It is one of the larger rorqual species, with adults ranging in length from 12 to 16 meters, and weighing around 25 to 30 tons. The humpback has a distinctive body shape, with long pectoral fins and a knobbly head. It is known for breaching and other distinctive surface behaviors, making it popular with whale watchers. Males produce a complex song lasting 10 to 20 minutes, which they repeat for hours at a time. All the males in a group will produce the same song, which is different each season. Its purpose is not clear, though it may help induce estrus in females. Found in oceans and seas around the world, humpback whales typically migrate up to 25,000 kilometers each year. They feed in polar waters, and migrate to tropical or subtropical waters to breed and give birth, fasting and living off their fat reserves. Their diet consists mostly of krill and small fish. Humpbacks have a diverse repertoire of feeding methods, including the bubble net technique. Like other large whales, the humpback was a target for the whaling industry. The species was once hunted to the brink of extinction. Its population fell by an estimated 90% before a 1966 moratorium. While numbers have partially recovered to some 80,000 animals worldwide, entanglement in fishing gear, collisions with ships, and noise pollution continue to affect the species. They can easily be identified by their stocky body, obvious hump, black dorsal coloring, and elongated pectoral fins. The head and lower jaw are covered with knobs called tubercles, which are hair follicles, and are characteristic of the species. The fluke tail, which typically rises above the surface when diving, has wavy trailing edges. Humpbacks have 270 to 400 darkly colored baleen plates on each side of their mouths. Ventral grooves run from the lower jaw to the umbilicus, about halfway along the underside of the body. These grooves are less numerous than in other rorquals, but are fairly wide. The long black and white tail fin can be up to a third of body length. Humpbacks are a friendly species that interact with other cetaceans such as bottlenose dolphins. Right whales interact with humpbacks. These behaviors have been recorded in all oceans. Humpback whales appear in mixed groups with other species, such as the blue, fin, mink, gray, and sperm whales. Incidents of humpback whales protecting other animals, such as seals, and other whales from killer whales have been documented and filmed. Both male and female humpback whales vocalize, but only males produce the long, loud, complex song for which the species is famous. Each song consists of several sounds in a low register, varying in amplitude and frequency, and typically lasting from 10 to 20 minutes. Individuals may sing continuously for more than 24 hours. Cetaceans have no vocal cords. Instead, they produce sound via a larynx-like structure found in the throat, the mechanism of which has not been clearly identified. Whales do not have to exhale to produce sound. Whales are air-breathing mammals who must surface to get the air they need. The stubby dorsal fin is visible soon after the blow when the whale surfaces, but disappears by the time the flukes emerge. Humpbacks have a 3 meters, heart-shaped bushy blow through the blowholes. They do not generally sleep at the surface, but they must continue to breathe. The 4 global populations are North Pacific, Atlantic, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean populations. These populations are distinct. Although the species has cosmopolitan distribution, and is usually not considered to cross the equator line, seasonal observations at Cape Verde suggest possible interactions among populations from both hemispheres. Thank you so much for being with me till the end. Let us protect our wildlife, just like our pets. May you please watch our next video.